Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of unmuting people's stories on Instagram. If you've previously muted someone's stories and want to start seeing them again, this is the full guide for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Step 2. Go to the profile of the person whose stories you want to unmute. Step 3. Tap the following button on their profile. Step 4. In the options menu, you'll find the mute option. Step 5. Turn off the mute for their stories. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to unmute someone's stories and start seeing their content in your feed again. It's a great way to stay connected and catch up on the stories that you may have missed. And there you have it. You've learned how to unmute people's stories on Instagram. It's time to re-engage with the content you enjoy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.